Hey friends, if you wish to keep your screen on when your laptop is closed, I mean the lid of your laptop is closed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's easy. Press the Windows key and the R button together and type the command power cfg.cpl. So it is power cfg.cpl and hit enter. And this will open the power options window. Now on the list on the left hand side, select choose what the power buttons do, and here you'll find an option when I close the lid. So click on the downward pointing arrow associated with it and select do nothing for on battery if you just want it for the on battery mode, and if you want it for both then select do nothing for both. And once this is done, then click on save changes. Now try closing the lid and nothing will happen. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.